Hey all, it's Kevin again from H&H. Just wanted to be doing my third session here of stuck at home, but I want to sell. And today I'm outside with a shot glass. Yeah, shots. No, we're not gonna do shots today, but this is actually a wound full of blood. And so what we want to do is pack that wound. And so you get your bleach, compressed gauze, woven. No, we don't. We don't get that. We get an all American made tack gauze, a grease cotton, non-woven. 60% better absorbency. Let's pack this wound. Let's get it all in here. Keep pressure down with one finger. Feed it in with the other. Let's get all this blood soaked up, baby. There we go. And let's see how the tack gauze did. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Woo! Yeah!